What up, everybody? This is Chris right here. On today's tutorial, I have very important um, things I would like to show to you guys because a lot of people would like to change their name on Facebook, right? So to do so, it is pretty simple, though. It is pretty simple. All you need to do is to basically um, come over here where it says where you have this little arrow that's first down. Um, just wait for it to load down and go where it says setting, right? You go where it says setting, you're pressing it, then basically you have the information here that says edit, right? So you can edit your name where it says edit over here. Pretty simple. You click edit and then you can change your name. Okay, so to do so, Facebook basically gonna allow you to do that, but for you to rechange the same name or to change the name in the future, you gotta wait like 2 months or 60 days. All right, so basically that was it. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section below and I will answer you anytime. Thank you, and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more video like this. Thank you. Bye bye.